Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup for baby. Making your own baby food is a wonderful way to ensure your little one gets the best nutrition. You have complete control over the ingredients, guaranteeing freshness and avoiding any unwanted preservatives or excessive sodium. Plus, it's often more economical than purchasing pre-made options. This simple process allows you to provide a wholesome, delicious meal tailored specifically for your baby's needs, giving you peace of mind with every spoonful. To begin, choose a selection of fresh, organic vegetables. Great options include carrots, sweet potatoes, green beans, and peas. Always wash your produce very thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. Next, peel any vegetables that require it, such as carrots or sweet potatoes. Then, cut all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and become perfectly tender, which is crucial for easy blending later on. Now, place your prepared vegetables into a medium-sized pot. Add about 2 cups of filtered water, just enough to cover the vegetables. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. The goal is for the vegetables to become very tender, easily pierced and mashed with a fork. This ensures they will blend smoothly for your baby. Once the vegetables are cooked and slightly cooled, carefully transfer them and some of the cooking liquid to a blender or food processor. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent puree. You can add more cooking liquid, breast milk, or formula to reach your desired consistency, from a thin soup to a thicker puree. Serve your baby 1 to 2 tablespoons of this nutritious soup. Store any leftovers in small, airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.